In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix video stuttering and lagging issues in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to open up your search menu and then type in Troubleshoot. Settings, and then just click on Open, which is the first option. Now just give it a moment. Then click on Other Troubleshooters, as you can see right now. After that, just scroll down under Other and then click on Video Playback. Click on Run and then just give it a moment. So this should take a couple of minutes. After that, just scroll down, click on Open Video Playback Settings, and then just give it a moment again to load. After that, just click on Status of Diagnosis, as you can see. Then click on No. Just click on No again. Then just go ahead, click out of this window. Now the next step, just click on Apps. And then go ahead, click on Video Playback. And then after that, just turn on Save Network, as you can see right there. And then after that, the third step that you need to do is to go ahead to the search menu. And then type in Graphics Settings. Click on Open. Just give it a moment to load again. After that, just scroll down. Choose the option that you want to improve. Click on it, and then click on CPU Performance, and make sure it's on High Performance, as you can see, which is the third option. And there you have it. You have now fixed video stuttering and lagging on your Windows 11. As always, thank you for watching.